No, I'm not going to be putting that joke on my channel, you freaking psycho.
Huh.
I will reference
everyone.
it, though.
Quake tried to scare me again by recording again me to say something that I wouldn't want to be on camera, and he failed. Again, wait.
Again, wait. I'm sure you're excited to see these two legendary bays take each other on. Instant!
Yes?
You loser! What mode do you want Backlash in?
Defense mode.
What spin?
Spin.
What?
Right spin defense mode.
Okay. Driver?
Defend.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know what it's going up again.
Hero Samuraizor, bro.
Oh, crap. What? Oh, yeah. Perfect, that worked.
Probably your best mode, honestly. Oh, Jesus. I forgot how awesome these battles are. Can't do them because they shred my stadium up. Oh, that's 1-0.
Nice.
You want to go to 15 or 20?
Let's go to 20.
Okay, 1-0. Backlash. He's strong. He's a strong. Oh shit!
Yay!
That's 2-0. That defense is just outrageous. Oh, good, Scooty.
Hi, Scooty.
I'm happy that Scooty gets to watch this legendary showdown between you and I. Can you fall out of the stadium, please? No, no, we're okay. Good, whatever.
I would rather not.
3-0. Yeah, I figured that was gonna happen, so I just kind of sat there and waited. Oh! Oh! Jeez, you just like.
Shot.
That's 4-0. I'm getting swamped right now. Why do I keep doing that? Wow, this is wonderful. Wonderful.
Well, if it's gonna be like this, just put me in attack.
Attack mode layer or
Extend plus.
gotcha. So it's 4-0 right now, Samuraizor. You're doing great. Oh, 5-0 with a solid knockout.
Good job, Beyblade.
Oh!
That's right. We recovered. You can do this, Backlash.
Yeah!
Ah!
5-1, Spider Kid.
Spider Kid.
Get on the watcher. Oh! I jumped over you.
That's like, no!
Whoa! Oh my God! Still 5-1. That was
your move now.
That was awesome. Oh! Gotcha.
Crap! Put me in stamina mode.
Stamina mode.
Yes. Yes.
6-2, Spider Kiss.
Doesn't have this 6-2.
I loathe you. Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
No.
6-3, Spider Kiss.
Nice KO. That was solid.
It was a pretty solid one. Your defense is really getting on my nerves. Here! No! Fall out!
You see, I just have to backlash it too.
7-3, Spider Kiss.
Spider Kid?
Spider Piss. Ooh! Oh!
No.
Oh!
No!
Trying to do Inferno vertical on me, huh?
Yes, it's the only way I can hit your laser key. Oh, nice.
Ooh! Ooh!
Yeah,
Solid!
yeah,
Solid!
yes.
Yeah! No! No! 8-4, Spider Kiss!
Does it have the 8 to fortitude?
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Yes! Come on, Backlash, you got this.
Dang! Oh, by the way, I'm using Sting.
Yes.
That's 9-4. Bro, this battle's wild.
No!
9-5. Dude, I like how you hung on at the very end. You're just like, no! I refuse!
Yes, good job.
Oh!
No,
Dude, that rebound was fire. 10-5.
Will you even break the 10 point?
I don't know, man. Oh, my bad. Come on. Come on. Get on the launcher, Samuraizor. Okay, we're just gonna redo it. I missed. I went to grab it and I was just like, Really? It's not my day today.
Oh,
This is not good. This is not good for me.
This is great. This is good. Beyblade.
Shut up.
Get him, Beyblade.
Just not having a good launching streak, that's all. 11-5.
Yes.
Really? Get in there! Oh my god, no! Samuraizor is not getting on the launcher right. I think I might need to replace that switch frame eventually. Oh! Oh!
11-6.
11-6.
6.
Oh! Oh! Bro! You came around and I like clipped you into it. I was under you. I was coming back for a bigger hit, and you're just like 11-7. Spartacus.
Spartacus?
Oh! Oh! Oh!
No!
11-8. Bro, your base hanging on way better than I anticipated.
Come on, Backlash. You got this.
Oh!
Yes!
Is that 12-7?
Yep.
Okay.
No, 8.
Oh, yeah, 12-8. My bad. Oh! Frick!
Good job.
Sound like Sammy. Frick! You frickin' frick! 13-8.
Come on, Backlash.
Oh! 14-8. I'm getting demolished right now.
No!
14-9. Spartacus.
Spartacus?
14-10.
You're already better than Made in Heaven.
Oh! Come on.
Yes.
Come on.
You got this, Backlash.
Dang it, I was really hoping for a lucky shot. Okay, 15-11?
I believe so.
Okay. Come on! Come on! Fall out!
Get him!
16-11. 16-12.
Quick, let's give these people what they deserve to see. Put me in left spin attack mode.
Okay, let me find the layer key. Was that before we do? That was 16-13, right?
I believe so.
Okay. All right, we found it. Okay, left spin attack mode and attack mode. I'm kind of nervous. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah.
It's gonna be good.
Ooh! Get it! Get it! I'm out of juice! No!
No!
17.
How did I get that KO?
You just kept pushing me to the outside. Oh, come on. Ugh. Bay fell off the launcher. Shut up. I don't want to hear your words. Oh, come on. Can you not right now, please? $18 to 13.
That was weird. 18 to 13-itude.
Woo! 18 to 14. No. 18 to 15. Ow. 18 to 16. Come on, hit me harder. Come on, stop trying to hit me and hit me.
Yes.
19 to 16.
No.
19 to 17.
Come on.
Ah, come on. Just do it like this. Ooh.
Come on.
Do you wanna like actually do it for real?
What do you mean?
Because that would have been 20 to 16 or 17.
But what are you wanting to change?
Well, because that I mislaunched and then I just left Samuraizor in for a really long time.
Oh, then yeah.
Okay. Do you want to go to 25?
Yes. And
Okay.
the camera was frozen. Sorry. I couldn't see what was happening. I'm still at 19, and we're going to 25.
Okay. Yay. Oh! 20 to 17. $20 to 18.
2018.
Dude, we're gonna go 2020. Oh, come on.
Don't flatter yourself. You won't get 2020. Yes, backlash. Yes.
I don't know how it's just chilling in the center like that. It's really aggravating. Okay. 21 to 18. Oh! Oh! 22 to 18.
Oh my god. Oh, no.
22 to 19. Almost. I should probably put Samuraizor on the launcher before I launch Backlash.
I don't know about you. About me, 22.
Oh! 23 to 19.
23-19.
23-19!
Yes! I'm so glad you got that reference.
Don't fall out! Please, for the love of God. No! I saw it coming a mile away! 24 to 19. I don't got this, bro.
Are you gonna break the 20 mark?
I must. No!
That was a mislaunch.
What do you mean?
I saw it. It skipped on Samuraizor.
24 to 19. 24 to 20. I'm not doing
Come on,
well, bro. Oh! That's probably the best battle to leave it out on. 25 to 20. That was hecka fun. Just so you know, you would never get the opportunity to do that in real life. I guess it's...
You're right, because
the blood moon
would more be like 25 to 3.
Doubt.
Like,
you could never escape me, no matter what rotation you go in. I will make the blood moon.
Do it! Do it!
All right.
Do it!
For a rematch, I suppose. Thank you, everybody, for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed me and Insta's epic rivalry. And, yeah, I'll see you in the next one.